I wanted to start a vlog off and just say good morning. A drift event in Tacoma, Colorado. It's gonna be pretty cool. If you guys have not seen my other drifting video, I basically went in and just filmed that and did a little cinematic. But this time I got the G7X. My homie's coming with me. It's gonna be pretty cool. It's gonna be very vlog style, very personal. I don't have a car, I'm not bringing the E30, but it should just be a fun day. I wanted to make sure I vlogged it, so that's what I got planned. Check it out, you guys. See you guys in a sec. So I wanted to explain to you that I do have a keypad working now. Before it was not. It is very bright outside and I have sunglasses on, but we actually had to drill into there, so hence why I wasn't able to do any filming on my car or anything. We actually had to drill into the garage door because I locked it from the inside. Got the LYV shirt, gang. All right, so you guys, I do have the E30. I have my dad's E36. We have a 4-door E30 and a Mini and a Mustang. Which of those do you think I want to drift the most?
The Stang.
The Stang. The Stang would rip. That would be wild. That would be one of the most wild things ever. But if you guys comment down below which of those cars, I'll give you a hint. The Mini is a front wheel drive. Which of those cars that I want to turn into a drift car, I'll give you a free shirt. So comment below. This fool just woke up not too long ago. We out here just playing the day by year, but wanted to make sure I vlogged it. Like, how you feel about your boy Drew, bro?
About you mean, fool?
Yeah. Tell me how you feel about me, man.
I mean, I don't hate you. That's good.
That's good. There's times where you probably hate me.
Nah, bro, it takes
to get hurt over people. Alright, what's good, you guys? We're about to hop on the highway, go to Tacoma. It's gonna be tight. Where is this fool at? Is he taking a shit? Yo, bruh. Bruh. You taking a shit in there? Yo, you guys good at Simon Denny? Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Yo, bro. Bruh, were you shit?
What's up, bro?
We taking a... Which one was it? Number 1 or number 2, bro?
I was taking a piss.
We out here. You think I should get this hat, man? Honestly though, this hat is just like so fire. I'm like falling in love with it. Too bad it's getting summertime. We're about to grab some grub. Yeah, they should be drifting right there.
Stupid.
Thanks, sir. Gang, LYV, gang.
JJ Jackson.
I didn't really associate the fact that I wrote that.
Alright.
I literally put
Appreciate you, man.
I literally put his initials and his last name.
All I'm just saying is all we have to do is steal these 2 big motherfuckers.
Yeah!
Sell them and we can build our own drift car. Okay. Mitsubishi motor.
Boom gang, whole lot gang, you know what I'm saying? Yeah! It's a little, but today I got the G7X. I got a lot of content to film, you guys. Stay tuned. Vlogs are about to be sick. I'm doing my best, you guys. Check out this guy. Yeah, when I say we out here, boys, we out here. Boom gang. Whole lot gang. We vlogging. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. That's 14. We got the S14. We got the E36. We got Nissans. We got a
big blue ass Beamer.
Yes, we got a Stancy Beamer.
It looks like it might possibly be, guys, on airbags.
I think he's static. Ooh, he's dumb though. He's tucking in the rear, you guys. Bro. Yeah, we are out here.
And then we got another Beamer over there in the corner. Bunch of Mazdas. I see a shit ton of Mazdas.
Look at this RX-7, you guys.
4 or 5.
Look at this RX-7, you guys. I'm gonna go geek out over this RX-7.
Oh, bro, they're getting it on the track.
Yeah, of course they are, man. Yeah, I think it's LS swapped. I can't really remember. I'm just guessing. Look at the wood on the dash. Whoa, look, Chelsea Denofa. Shout out Kyle. He just subscribed. Make sure you guys are subscribing to the Live Your Vision channel. We out here, right, DJ?
Shout out to him about the fucking Toyota Supra.
Oh, I'm geeking up for the Nissan, bro. I will own a Nissan on this channel, that is a promise. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys a hint as far as what...
Yo.
What's up?
This guy's sticker slap.
Okay. Okay. So I'll give you guys a hint. It is a Nissan 240, but is it an S13, S14, S15 that I would want for a drift car? If you also guess that, I'll give away a black t-shirt. Guess is something. I might give away a couple t-shirts basically. So if you guess what kind of 240 I want, S13, S14, then you guess me a t-shirt, or long sleeve I mean. They're not really ripping it right now, but we'll see. So, but I mean, we're talking to some people, we're meeting people, we're getting other people to definitely subscribe, hopefully. So yeah, again, shout out Kyle. It's you guys that keep coming back that really make a difference. So hopefully we get to see like cars like this rip here in a little bit. Check it out. Get it, bro. Yeah. Send it. We out here, boy. LYV gang. First drift I've seen all day. And he's ripping it. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, get it, boy. Get it, send it. LYV gang, we out here. Let's get it. Yeah, let's get it. So what are you guys doing today? I guess I can't really ask you that. It'd be sick if I could talk to my viewers. If you're watching this, leave anything. Just say, let's get it, or LYV gang, just something. Just leave me something. We're gonna watch this S14 rip it in a sec. Rip it, buddy, rip it, rip it, rip it. I knew it, you guys. I'm not gonna disappoint. He's gonna link the whole thing. He's getting it, getting it, getting it, get it. Come on. Yeah. Yeah, keep it, keep it, keep it. Getting some smoke, getting some smoke. I'm hearing another car. Link it, bro. Yeah. That's what's up, man. Alright, get it. Send it, send it, send it. Assuming LS. Donuts sound very delicious. What kind of donuts do you guys like? I feel like a chocolate one, maybe some filled donuts. We see, we out here, boys. Turbo Kooky, let's get it, boy. Send it. We out here, gang. LYV gang. Subscribe, like, comment, YouTube channel. Nissan 240. So my camera's about to die. I thought I would keep this as vloggy as possible and just let you guys know that this is like the first round of the competition. And if any of you guys are drifters, make sure to come check out my channel. What's good, bro? How you doing?
What's up, bro?
Are you
Shout out to the dude that's driving the black 350Z. Dude is absolutely killing it, smoking everyone else.
There you go. Shout out to you.
Constant drift.
Shout out you, dude. Anyways, yeah, he definitely linked the whole thing. There's like a few guys that linked it. I'm gonna definitely post my favorite of the few. I'm basically gonna just walk around, show you guys some of the cars, and check out my last drift vlog. They definitely send it then. They're definitely trying to take it more seriously, so it's just independent runs rather than tandeming and all that good shit. So check out this Slam Beamer. LYV gang, we are definitely out here. All right, I say we out here a lot, but right-hand drive RX-7, I mean like damn. So what do you guys say about it, bro? Sweeter. Yeah, he was just asking me how much one of these costs. I told him that if you guys were interested in one of these, about 100K. The rotary engine kind of, you got to think, if you think about like dailing it, they kind of aren't as reliable, so you have to swap them. But shit's fire. You got the S14 in the background.